Hello everyone, so today we are solving maximum sum of text in subarray with a length k. In the question we have given a array nums and an integer k. Find the maximum length of subarray of nums that meet the following condition. Length of the subarray is k and all of the elements in a subarray are distinct. According to the question we have the array 1, 5, 4, 2, 9, 9, 9. First, we need to find this all subarray with a length k. So this is subarray with a length k. This is also in subarray with a length k. This is also in subarray with a length k. This is also in subarray with a length k. And this is also in subarray with a length k. As you can see, this have the sum 10. From this point 5 to 2 have the sum 5 to 7. 7 and 4 11. And this have the sum 5 4 4 to 9, that is equal to 50. And from this point to this point, from this point to this point, we have the sum 27. But you have more constraint, like all the elements in a subarray are distinct, so this will follow that constraint, this will also follow this content, this will also follow this content. So when you come to 999 subarray, this won't follow the constraint because it have the same element. We need a subarray. Let's suppose we have a subarray part that contains 3 elements. On each position, we have the unique element. So as you can see, we have some 10, 11 and 15. And this is the coming from all the subarray which have the unique element, and we need to find the maximum of them. So its answer will be 50. I think the question is pretty much clear to you. Now we can proceed to the approach, like how can we attempt this question. So what we can do, we have the array and we will first calculate the sum of these k indexes, and we also need to track the count of each digit. So we will use map for taking the counter of each indexes, like every number, how much times will the number coming in my subarray. So what we will do, we will first take the sum, and after this what we will do, we will make two counter left and right. Okay, firstly we will take the sum from I equal to 0 to k, I is less than k, and then at the same time I will also make sure to insert each element in a map to take its counter equal to k minus 1. So it will be size of k. So this is our first subarray with a length k. If our map dot size is equal to k, that means all the elements map dot size equal to k, that means all the elements are distinct, all the elements are distinct, and we can take its count as our final answer. But that final answer will be changed when we proceed to next subarray. So it won't be a final answer, we are just taking a final answer counter to take its count. Okay, so now we will proceed to the code. It will be like this. Firstly, as I told you, we will take its counter long sum equal to 0 and map of int comma int equal to mp. Now what we will do, for int I equal to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus, that sum is plus equal to nums of I, and map of I, nums of I plus plus. If map dot size equal to k, it means we need to update this final answer. Long final answer equal to 0. Final answer equal to sum. And now we take its left and right counter. Int left equal to 0, right equal to k, while left is less than nums dot size minus k. I will make sure it will be add and subtract accordingly. So sum that sum is plus equal to minus of nums of left plus nums of right, and I will also decrement its counter from the map dot map of nums of left minus minus. If map of nums of left equal to 0, map dot erase nums dot left. Okay, and now onwards I will do that thing, map of nums of right, and I also need to add the same condition here, but that sum will be final sum will be maximum of final answer comma sum return final answer. So as you can see, we initiate one sum and final sum with a 0 and take map. So now we are traversing over an array and taking the sum till k, and similarly we also updating our map till k. So now if our map size is equal to k, then we are updating this final answer with sum, and then move onwards. We were taking two integers, left and right. That right will be the k and left will be the 0, and we also need to iterate them. Left plus plus, right plus plus, and we are iterating over the while loop while left is less than num dot size minus k, and we are updating the sum, and we also updating that map. And if our map nums dot left is equal to 0, that means we need to erase that element from the map, and now we are updating the map through right element. As you can see, now we are checking the map dot size equal to k. That means we need to update our answer, so that final answer will be the maximum of final answer comma sum, because we need to take the maximum sum from all the subarray which have the unique element. So in the last, we are returning those final answer. Now I will try to run the solution. I hope it will work. We forgot to add one semicolon here. As you can see, it is working fine. And if you have any doubt or any suggestion, you can put it in the comment box. I will happy to help you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.